What does the horsey say?
Nay!
Hey guys, I'm here with Kinsley and today we're giving you a tour of her room. I originally filmed this when I was like 9 months pregnant, so the baby came, I didn't get to edit it. So here we are, over a year later, and I hope you love it as much as we do.
Bye!
Bye! Enjoy! Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here because today I'm finally sharing my nursery reveal. I honestly don't know who's more excited about this video, you guys or me. It's been so highly requested and I've been working on the nursery for so long and it's finally finished and I'm so excited. I could literally like live in here. You guys, this is like my favorite room in the house. It's the brightest room in the house and it's just everything I imagined come to life. I'm so excited with the way it turned out. I hope you guys love it. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. So I'm in my last month of pregnancy. I'm in my 9th month. Let me give you guys a little bump date. Show you the bump. So here's my 9-month baby bump. I finally like really popped and I have this weird like outie belly button. That's so weird. I just live in black leggings, but I'm gonna take you guys around the nursery, show you everything, and I'll leave all the links to everything or similar items down below in the description. And she's not even gonna probably use this room for a while since she's gonna be sleeping in a bassinet in our room for the first little bit. But I just wanted to have it done and I'm so glad I did because I love how it turned out and I hope you guys love it too. So let's go take a look around. Here we go. Okay, so here is the room before. This is the way we got it when we got the apartment, and here is the after. Oh my gosh, you guys, I smile so big whenever I'm in this room. Of course, I had to add my crystal chandelier and crystal lamp because if you know me, I have a chandelier in every room I can fit it into. But I basically did a really soft neutral palette of creams and whites and ivories with pops of pink and blush, and then I added some gold accents to really make it pop. And then to make it more kid-friendly and really fun, I added in some woodland animal creatures and some floral accents to make it really whimsical and a magical space. I think people are either going to like love it and be obsessed with it like I am, or you're gonna walk in and like want to vom because it's just like girliness overload. So I just really hope my little baby loves it. I just wanted it to be a really happy place. Every time I walk into this room, I smile. It's just like the most magical room. I love it so much and I really hope baby girl loves it too. Okay, so let's start with the crib area, and don't worry, I'm gonna leave links to everything I talk about. So here is the crib skirt from Kate and Lane. They also sent over these pretty pink crib bows and a matching floral sheet. And a cool little hack if you have space under the crib is just get these little clear bins from Target and you can use them as storage right under the crib for blankets or toys or whatever you need. Next to the crib, I have this woven basket from Target that I added a bow to for laundry or blankets or whatever. And above the crib, I have these cute woodland animal prints from Etsy and gold frames from Amazon. And in between them, I have this gold monogram from Stone Creek wall decal on Etsy that says Kinsley. Since we live in California, I just wanted to make sure we were earthquake safe so nothing could fall on her. So that is the little crib area. And then next to the crib, I have this canopy. This is probably my favorite part of the room. It's just a little mosquito net canopy from Amazon. We just drilled the hook into the ceiling and hung the canopy right on it. So here is the plain before canopy, and then here is the after. I think it came out so pretty. I just added some pillows from Amazon, and Cuddle and Kind sent me these cute little stuffed dolls to put in there. And then I added a floral garland around the top to make it really pretty. And I just can't wait till she's old enough to sit under here and read stories. It's just a really nice, calm, quiet, relaxing corner. Then for the window, I went a little extra. I just got this faux silk looking curtain from Amazon. It came in a set of 3 with the 2 sides and then the top panel. And then I loved this gold curtain rod. I got this at Target. Underneath it all is a blackout shade. You guys, this is a total must. It totally blacks out the room for naps to help her sleep better. And then over that, I just have these really inexpensive sheer white panels from Amazon. I kind of let them drape on the floor a little bit. Next to that, we have this sitting area, which I also really love. So I actually had a really hard time finding an ottoman because they were so expensive, and I actually found this one at HomeGoods for like 12 bucks. We spray painted the legs gold to match, and it kind of actually matches the rug too, so it was perfect. Then I just have another woven basket on this side of the room for storage or for reading stories before bed, and it sits right next to the glider, which I got in a really neutral color, and it has a pretty tufted back, and it rocks back and forth really smoothly, which is perfect for the baby. Hanging above it is one of my favorite pieces in the room, the crystal floral mobile from Begonia Rose Co. on Etsy, and then it also matches the garland that went on the canopy in the other corner to kind of tie it all together. I actually went back and forth on whether or not to get a rocking chair, and I am so glad I did. We use it every day. Okay, now for the star of the room, the chandelier, my favorite part. I got this on Amazon, and I also got a ceiling medallion, which is a little extra, but I think it totally completes the look. And I swapped out the light switch plate with a gold one that I got on Amazon because the little details are everything, you guys. I've just always dreamed of having a chandelier in the middle of my nursery, so I just think this totally completes the room. Below that is the faux sheepskin rug. It did shed a little bit at the beginning, but I think it gives a really nice, homey, soft feel to the room. And then right when you walk in, there's like this little awkward area that I just put a little bookshelf from IKEA, and that worked perfect. Right now it just has kind of like knickknacks and random things on it, but that changed real fast. We put lots of Kinsley's books and toys on it as she got older. And yes, I arranged the books in rainbow order. I saw that on Instagram and I just thought it was so cute. And then on top is a watercolor painting that my mom actually made. And can't forget about the little details. Obviously, you're gonna need a diaper pail and a sound machine. This one has a little nightlight, super inexpensive, but a total must-have. Okay, now on to her dresser / changing table station. This is from Bye Bye Baby, and the guys just came in and delivered it right to the room. I, of course, swapped out the hardware for some really inexpensive gold crystal knobs from Amazon. The mirror right above it's also from Amazon. It's just a scalloped frameless mirror. I was gonna go with a gold frame mirror, but I'm really glad I chose this one. It's just really simple and totally goes with the room. I also got this acrylic chandelier lamp for the dresser from Amazon, and then I just put my own lampshade right over it. It just kind of matches the chandelier in the room and ties everything together. On top of the dresser is the changing pad, and I just put a little pink cover over this. And now we're gonna go through the dresser. So in the top drawer, I just have newborn baby diapers and wipes. I also put in a little rattle and a passy just in case for when I'm changing her diaper. Oh my god, and I totally recommend some sort of changing table cover that's disposable. It saves you so much time on laundry. These are pretty big, so I actually just cut them in half to make them last longer. And then I have a thermometer and some medicine just in case, and some little baby nail clippers, and a soft little baby hairbrush. Okay, in the drawer right below that, I just have some soft burp cloths and some little baby kimono tops. I also have some soft little beanie hats in case it's cold, and some little tiny baby booties and socks. And the bottom drawer is full of blankets. I have some soft muslin blankets, I have some cotton blankets that are a little thicker, and some nice warm blankets too. On the other side are her clothes. So the top drawer, I have all newborn to 3-month-old sleepers and onesies. I have long sleeve onesies and leggings. And I just put the clothes from top to bottom, from smallest to largest, so I could just rotate them up as she grows. So the drawer below that's all the 3 to 6-month-old clothes. Oh my god, I love this one, how cute. And the bottom drawer is all the 6 to 9-month-old clothes. And I know this is like a lot of clothes, you guys, but we were so lucky. All of this is hand-me-downs given to us by friends. And that is her little dresser. Moving on to the closet, where, surprise, I have more hand-me-down clothes. And I just googled little clothing dividers and printed these out online to organize her clothes. And some of these things were actually mine when I was a baby that I got to put Kinsley in. My mom saved a few pieces from when I was a little girl. And this is actually a necktie rack, but I use it to organize her headbands. And below that are just some shoes and some beanies and sun hats. Alright, so there it is, my nursery reveal. I hope you guys loved it as much as I do. If you guys give any of this a try in your own home, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at @TheLindsayAnn so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations and beautiful ideas. Or share this video with somebody who you know would totally love to recreate some of the looks in my nursery. And if you guys love this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. And then go check out all my other baby related videos and challenges and behind the scenes, because if you liked this one, you're gonna love those too. So there you have my baby girl's nursery reveal. I hope you guys loved it. Thank you so much for watching and leaving me comments. You're the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time, probably with a new addition to our family. All right, see you next time. Bye, guys. Okay, you guys have been asking for it and it's finally here. Today on my YouTube channel, I'm sharing with you guys my baby girl's nursery. So I'm doing a full nursery tour, nursery reveal video. You guys, I'm like, it's everything. I'm so excited.